I seen so many videos that's actually looks really good on them. It covers everything. I tried it. It wasn't my color. As you guys can see, it's like darker. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So we're doing a review with foundation because I've been seeing this foundation in my email, my Instagram, my Facebook. It's there like 100 times. I ordered first one and it didn't work out for me. Then they sent me a new one. So this video is actually gonna show what my experience from their customer service and the company on this one. As you guys can see, I am very happy, and I wanted to show you guys which color on my face that actually it did work and this. So the whole experience of ordering, reordering, shipping to me, question the customer service, watch the video so you guys can see my bare face with no foundation on my face, pimples, showings, everything what we cover in there. So but anyway, I'll see you guys in the video. So guys, I wanted to show you guys this foundation before I showed you guys with this one. I bet there's so many people actually had ordered this foundation and tried it, and I seen so many feeds on my Instagram, on also my Facebook. I seen so many videos that's actually looks really good on them. It matches their skin, it covers everything like your pimples like this. I don't have any foundation on right now on my face. So my first one that I ordered from them, I tried it and it wasn't the color that I expected. I did answer all the questions because how they match it is there are actually a lot of questions about your skin tone, everything about your skin. But anyway, so I ordered this. It came in after like a week and a half or something like that. I tried it and then I noticed that it wasn't my color. It was way far for my color. So I reached out to them and then I told them that the color doesn't match on my skin. They have a good customer service, and that I would say it was beyond my expectations. So they asked me a few questions so they can send me a new foundation. So now I'm gonna show you guys. I do have two foundations. One is the one I ordered, which is they only charge me for shipping, and I told them I can ship it back because it wasn't my color, and they told me, said no, I don't have to, I can just give it to somebody that I know has the color. And then so now they sent me two. But anyway, so that's we're gonna cover right here. As you guys can see, I do have a lot of pimples right in there, and then I get so many pimples right over here, like on the bottom. But on foundation we do cover that. So here you go. I did order as well the primer because I always think that whatever foundation you use, you should always use a primer for it. So this is the first one that I ordered, and then this is the second one I ordered. This is the two different color. This one it's much darker, this one it's much lighter. So I'm gonna start it on my primer. The primer, it's beautiful. I only put a little bit because this is actually really feel the primer already on your skin. Like it's really nice and soft. So now we're gonna do the sponge and we're gonna try. This is the first one. This is the first I ordered. And we just put a little bit, so it's a little bit dark. I'm just gonna do half. This is a different color, and then we're gonna do a different on here, okay? So it's, as you guys can see, it's like darker than my skin tone. This one is more like yellow and golden or something. This one is a different sponge for the other side, and we're going to use the new one that they just mailed to me. That it's the new one, much lighter. So that's the color right here, and then this is the color right there. This one is definitely like a dark color for me, and this one it's more like my color. It looks great. And like I said, that primer looks really good on the skin, and it makes your foundation very flawless. Now I'm going to put all this all over my face. I'm gonna remove the foundation and then put the new one. So guys, I have removed the other color on my other side of my face. My pimples is back there, so I'm gonna go ahead and put primer again on my other side of my face, then use the same one. Like I mentioned to you guys, the customer service, I didn't talk to them, I just email, let them know that the color wasn't much on my skin. They literally responds to me right away. Was concerned about what best for my skin color, and then asked me a lot of questions. Their customer service, it's excellent. I don't have any complaints, so they know how to handle this type of situation, and they want you to be happy. So I didn't want full cover because I'm gonna be outside. So this is the new foundation. It's better. I love it. It's a matte for your skin. So I'm going to finish my makeup, and I'll show you guys when everything, it's all my makeup is done. So I'll be right back. So guys, this is the finish of this foundation that I tried today. I finished my makeup today because I'm gonna go out. What you guys think about this color for me? I think it looks so much better than the first one. This one, as I showed you guys earlier, it does darker for my skin, and when they sent me a new one, it's so much better. As you guys can see, that it's pretty much the same color on my neck. So I'll definitely happy on the second foundation, the second color foundation that they mailed to me. It's really amazing. I love it. I will definitely do order again in the future. And now I'm not sure if they do keep your profile or something, or do I have to answer the question again? That I don't know, but I hope they do. They keep your profile, so that way you don't have to go through with the first interview of yourself online. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you have tried this one before, do comment below and let me know what you guys experienced with them, if you have a good experience, or if you wanted to order again from their company. So anyway, I will see you guys again for my next video. I'm gonna have a giveaway, so watch out with that giveaway. So make sure that you guys enter to that giveaway, because I'm gonna have some mixed items that I'm giving away on soon. But anyway, I'll see you guys again to the next video. Bye. I'm gonna bring this fear, I'm busting through the ceiling.